The 2010 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, cloth bucket seats, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.